Hey everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to United Parcel. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right in. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the web address bar that appears at the very top of the screen, type in www.ups.com and press enter. UPS, or United Parcel Service, is an American multinational shipping and receiving and supply chain management company. The official web page of UPS will look like this. Go to the profile icon appearing at the top right-hand corner and give it a click. You'll end up in the login area. You can either enter your email address or your user ID followed by your password to log into your account, or use one of these social networking sites. I'm gonna enter my email and password. Type in your email address into the text box where it says email or user ID. You can also type in your user ID. Once you do that, head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on the show link right beside it. In case you don't remember your user ID or your password, click on I forgot my user ID or password link beneath and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for them. If you want the system to remember your user ID, check this box right beneath where it says remember my user ID. But if you are using a public device or a shared device, leave it unchecked before logging in for your security. After you are done entering all of the information needed, click the login button beneath in yellow, and that is how you should be able to log into your United Parcel Service account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.